Okay, so today we're going to look at infusing some water. Water is extremely beneficial for our bodies. Our bodies are actually made up of about 60% water, so you definitely want to keep replenishing your water in your body and throughout the day. So 1 to 2 liters. And some people, drinking plain water gets a little boring after a while. I totally get it. So infusing water with different flavors is another way to make it more fun. So today we're going to do a flavor of grapefruit and then another herb that I'll introduce to you shortly. Okay, so first we're going to start by slicing up this grapefruit. I remember when I was a kid, grapefruits were eaten horizontally and with sugar on top. And then over the years, I stopped with the sugar. And then years later, I stopped eating grapefruit altogether. I'm really not sure why, because they truly are delicious. So we're just going to take, actually first, let me take a step back. I like carbonated water. So we're going to put the water, it's filtered water, in this carbonator. And we're going to get it nice and carbonated, and that's the sound that we want to hear. So we know that it's carbonated now. And we're going to put some grapefruit in here. Put a little more, because we love that grapefruit flavor. We just want to take the rind off because we don't want it to taste too bitter. So we'll take some of the rind off and just put some of that juicy goodness inside, like that. There. Okay, so now we've got our grapefruit in there. So next is that herb that I spoke about earlier. Okay, so this is my herb garden. Still a baby. And what we're going to be focusing on today is the rosemary. So rosemary is actually really good with concentration. So if you just go like this and smell, oh, it's absolutely amazing. So we're going to clip off a branch to put in our water, just like that. So let's go back inside. Okay, so now our herb, rosemary. So rosemary is also good for digestion, and if you just smell it, it's just amazing, and it helps with concentration as well. So we're going to put some of this in with our grapefruit, and we're going to let that infuse on its own. Put the cap on. Give it a very light shake. Sometimes I'll actually let it sit upside down, but we don't want to give it a hard shake. So let it sit like that for, I would say, 8 to 12 hours, and then you should have a yummy tasting grapefruit and rosemary infused carbonated water. Enjoy.